Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and others. So let's get started. So yesterday the CPI report came out, and as if you have watched my yesterday's video, then we were expecting huge volatility in the market. When the news came out, there was a sharp up move on dollar, and again we saw that there was severe selling pressure. Just look at this candle, and again market recovered. So there was a crazy volatility in the market. So today I won't be going in detail because I want to keep the video short. Today is Friday. As you know that every Saturday I bring a long detailed video on the DXY and gold. So please watch the tomorrow's video for the detailed analysis for the coming week. I'll just try to keep the video short. Okay, today's video. So as of now, gold is DXY US dollar is trading at 95.98. This is the current market price here. As I have discussed already yesterday, that the resistance for DXY for this week will be 96.20. This is the important level for DXY for this Friday. If you see the same up move on dollar, if DXY hits the 96.20, then there is a possibility that DXY US dollar will be facing some kind of resistance, some kind of selling pressure in this level, and we will get to see a reversal. There is a possibility for this Friday. Okay, so keep your eyes on 96.20 for DXY and 95.20 on the downside. So this is the range for dollar for Friday. Okay, now let's talk about gold here. Again, I'm saying this analysis is for today only, that means Friday. Okay, right now gold is trading at 1825. This is the current market price here, and you can see that I have got many levels marked on the chart. So let me discuss one by one. First of all, we have 1821.50. Okay, 1821.50 on the downside as support. There is a possibility that if market sees some selling pressure also, market will try to bounce from here. If market fails to bounce from this level, and if you see the selling pressure is high, you can take a sell call below 1821. So 1821.50 is important. If market bounces, go for a buy for day trading purpose, and if market slips below 1821 level, you can take a sell position. Okay, 1821.5 is the buy if market bounces, 1821 is for sell if market slips below it. And keep in mind, we also have 200 moving average coming up. So around 1820 around 1815 level. Okay, around 1815 level you should be booking your profit for today. And on the other hand, if gold starts going up from here, then 1837 will be your first lookout. Okay, 1837. Observe the price around 1837. That is your first minor resistance. There is a possibility that the gold may reverse from here also. If the market is slow and dull, then yes, you can take a sell position at 1837 level if market reverses. On the other hand, if market breaks it, you can take a sell position at 1841 to 1842 level. For this Friday, there is a good possibility that market will be finding it difficult to cross this level. If market reverses from 1841-42 level, you can definitely take a sell position. So these are the levels for Friday. I'll be coming down tomorrow again, and I'll be discussing on detail about the analysis and the trading opportunities for the coming week. Okay, hopefully you've understood. If you have not, then please watch the video again. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.